This is the new plumbing that we did on the house. Cold water comes in to a smart water valve. First you see is a branch off for full pressure from the street. Then to the gauge there showing approximately 105 psi to a PRV. From the PRV reduces down to just right now around about 60 psi. We have an expansion tank on the right. Got another gauge just for comparison right now on the lowest point drain, and then back, and we also have a shut off to the tank. And watching the little black piece at the very beginning by the corner, I'm going to close the valve. It's all done through a smart app, and I will open the valve. That was a $50 part for the smart valve controller.